Hey, writers and muse daters, it's another hot day here in Athens, Greece, and I am standing in the middle of Hadrian's library. I don't know if you can see the Acropolis in the distance behind me. Just really amazing views and an amazing experience to be here in this center of learning and reading and writing of the ancient world. And my theme of the week has really been about thinking about being part of our literary tradition, of the Western world's tradition that we have, that started in ancient Greece and goes up until today. And I know that you have an important story to tell and you want to get that out in the world. And a lot of people have asked me about getting published and how does that happen, and they get really frustrated because they're thinking about, I want this right away, why does it have to be so difficult? And, there are ways to publish instantaneously through self-publishing and that kind of thing. But look around me. Look at all of this stuff that's still around. Do you want your story to last? What do you want your legacy to be? If you want to create a lasting legacy, if you want to have your message out there for future generations to consume and enjoy and fall in love with, just like you've fallen in love with so many authors who are no longer with us, unfortunately, there's a more efficient way, and I'm happy to talk with you about how you can do that for your story, for your legacy, and for your writing. I'll drop a link into the comments, and you can put yourself directly in my calendar, and we can have a chat. Happy writing.